It's a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. With 4 doors and legendary off-road capability, the world opens up to endless possibilities. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, leather steering wheel, external memory control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, manual tilting steering column, power heated mirrors, voice activation, Targa sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and automatic transmission. Road and Track puts forth it's a far better everyday vehicle, safer and more civilized, roomier and more comfortable, without sacrificing one bit of its legendary off-road ability. Experience the Jeep life. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today. Call, click, or stop into Family Toyota of Burleson today. Come see us today at 801 South Burleson Boulevard, where you become family for life.